Okay, boys and girls, we have the Milwaukee circular saw, and the problem is that it's sometimes working, sometimes not, and when it's working it's just making a lot of more noise. As you can see, I have pressed it and it's like tick tick tick, not starting. Okay, so I think it will be a controller and I will place it. Okay, opening it and macro switch. We have the new controller. I have ordered it. And we need to get to this motor housing. And let me check. Yep, looks pretty the same. Okay, very small screws here. I will disconnect them. And I think the LED light here. We have 4 more screws here for the motor housing. The ground wire. Okay, now we have our motor housing here. Of course, we have the armature. Taking it out. Okay, we have opened the motor housing, and as you can see, the old wires are all going through this big hole. I'm doing the same. Just trying to push this field here. Okay. Okay, once the housing is cleaned, we can put the new field in it. Of course, we can close the housing. Double check if it closes nicely. No gaps on the sides. Okay, we got the field in the housing. We can double check the armature. Okay, clean the armature a little bit, and now I will insert it to the housing. Looks pretty good here. And of course now I need to put the motor housing back again. Okay, got it very easy this time. Okay, now we want to put the plastic housing here. Of course, don't forgetting the LED wire. Okay, the housing looks really good here. I will try to tighten it. Got one of the screw. And almost forgot the grounding, and it was underneath the plastic housing, so I will remove the handle and put the grounding. Okay, have connected the grounding, and here it goes to the housing. We have the gap in the housing for the grounding wire. Now I will connect the LED light. Okay, inserting it in place, and now we have our old and new controllers, and we can see that the old one have this ferrite ring. I think it's for the electromagnetic field or something. If you know that, you can write in the comments, as you can see. And okay, so now we have the grounding, which must be connected a little bit later. And okay, we have the micro switch. I have connected the LED. And okay, we got it out, and now of course we need to install everything in the places. This one I want to go here. try to put all these cables in the bottom of the handle. We have a gap here. Okay, and all these cables was with this ferrite ring. So I don't know, maybe I need to insert it. Oh, okay, I see that two of the wires are connected here. So white and the yellow. And honestly I don't know if this ferrite ring does something or not. In the practical side, in the theoretical side, yeah, it does. Okay, let me check. This one looks good. It's a wires for the switch. This one our grounding or the negative. And okay, basically I need to put this one here. The white goes down. This one looks pretty nice here, if it will get fit in the housing. Okay, and yep, looks pretty good. So I have put these wires on the bottom, and I don't know if it's good or not. And about this, okay, I think I need to put it somewhere here, and now it's honestly not a lot of space here. And if I could remember, it was for the all the wires here, so probably it will be easier to take this one out. Okay, let's just try to mount it and close it, and we will check later. We can move it backward and forward. Okay. Okay, got it here now. And basically, I still think I need to put these tiny wires on the bottom. And we have our micro switch here. And yep, I need to take a little bit more wire here. Okay, okay. This tape goes here. I have my LED wire here, so I will take it a little bit longer, and as you can see now I can take it on both sides, but still I prefer to do that underneath the connection wire, the flat wire, how you call this one, this strip. Okay, finally we have connected our LED light. Now getting the cables managed. And what is left for us here is the grounding wire. And you can see it's a pressable connection here. You can solder it and now connect it with the same type of connector. And as we have a lot of space here, I will take these wires, twist them, and we'll put a connector like this one, and of course press it. Okay, seems good. So now we need to manage the grounding wire. You can put it somewhere here. The tape cable. I don't know. Write in the comments how to name it. And okay, now what we have here, we have the switch coming. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, we have all 4 wires. And I will go one by one. So here goes the yellow. Now goes the white, the tiny white. We can remove the old wires here. They will not mess with us around anymore. And what we have here, we have the red one. And I don't know why, but the wires are put like that and bend it. Okay, looks pretty good now. Of course, taking the wires out from the front side, sorry. Okay. Just trying to fit everything in the places they must belong. The battery terminal now are in place, and the red wire looks good. I will try to close everything. Just double checking on wires before closing, and yep, sometimes finding the one or the couple wires not in place. For example, like this white wire wants to pop out, the yellow. Okay, now it looks good for me. How it looks for you? Okay, the terminal's in place, the housing fits nicely. You can use the drill. Now goes our hook. Not a captain hook, just a hook. Okay, looks like a pretty solid saw. I'm just testing if the AC can spin around. Here it can, so now it's time to test it. Okay, looks pretty good. It turns on, so we have replaced the controller and the field for this one. Thank you for watching, and for now, bye.